Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to unbox and put together this awesome baby transformable kitchen tower. I ordered it from Etsy. I went with the natural color option, but they have other cool colors like white and gray on their website, too. So, let's dive right in. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, so you don't miss any of the exciting content coming your way. Let's dive right in. First things first, let me tell you that this tower arrived in a really well-packed box. No stretching or damage whatsoever. They included instructions. I mean, sometimes you can wing it and figure things out on your own, but I appreciate having the instructions handy, especially for something like this. We've got 9 different parts of the tower, along with bolts and keys for assembly. And let me tell you, the quality of each part is top-notch. You can tell they put some serious effort into making this tower sturdy and long-lasting. Assembling this tower is a breeze, my friends. The manufacturer really made it super user-friendly. They've even pre-drilled all the necessary holes for you, so you just need to follow the instructions and put everything together. Speaking of instructions, they're really clear and easy to understand. They've got descriptions and pictures that make the process much easier. Now, let's talk about the versatility of this baby transformable kitchen tower. It's like a magic piece of furniture, I swear. It can transform from a table and chair for one child to a full-on tower. That means it adapts to child's needs. It's such a smart and practical design. Alright, my friends, that's a wrap. We've unboxed and assembled this incredible baby transformable kitchen tower. The packaging was solid, the instructions were included, and the quality of the parts is fantastic, and the price is $180. I'm really impressed with how easy it was to put everything together. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. And hey, if you've ever used a similar product or have any questions, drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, stay awesome, and have an amazing day, my friends.